2024 has come and gone, and now we stand at the dawn of 2025. A new year, a new chapter, but the same challenges and opportunities await us. Have you ever felt like life is a constant battle between highs and lows? Like every joy is shadowed by an impending sadness, and every setback is a setup for something better? What if I told you that this isn't random but a universal law at play? Welcome to the law of polarity, a principle that, once understood, could transform your perspective on life forever. First of all, we will understand the law of polarity. The law of polarity is simple yet profound. Everything in the universe has an opposite. Light has darkness, hot has cold, success has failure, and joy has sadness. But here's the twist. These opposites are not separate. They're connected, like two sides of the same coin. Take a moment to think about this. Can you truly appreciate the light without having experienced the dark? Can you value success without tasting failure? The answer is no. The contrasts give our lives meaning and depth. Think of a magnet. It has a positive side and a negative side. Remove one, and the magnet ceases to exist. Life works the same way. Understanding this principle isn't just philosophical, it's incredibly practical. Now, how will you apply the law of polarity in your life? So how does this law apply to you? Let's break it down into 3 actionable steps. Step 1. Embrace challenges. Challenges aren't obstacles, they're opportunities in disguise. When faced with a problem, remember that the solution already exists. They're just two sides of the same polarity. Instead of resisting, ask yourself, what's the lesson here? This shift in perspective can turn any setback into a setup for a breakthrough. Step 2. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is the bridge that connects opposites. When you're grateful for what you have, even in tough times, you align yourself with positivity. This isn't just feel-good advice. It's backed by science. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on solutions, not problems. Step 3. Harness emotional awareness. Every negative emotion you feel points to something positive you desire. Sadness indicates a need for connection, and frustration signals a desire for progress. By acknowledging your emotions instead of suppressing them, you can use them as a compass to guide your next steps. Let's bring this to life with real-world examples. Take Thomas Edison. He famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Every failed experiment brought him closer to his invention of the light bulb. The darkness of failure illuminated the light of his success. Now that you have a foundational understanding of polarity, let's explore deeper layers. First, the connection between pain and growth. Growth and comfort cannot coexist. This is the essence of the law of polarity. When you're uncomfortable or in pain, it's a signal that you're growing. Just as muscles tear to grow stronger, life's challenges stretch you to reach new heights. Second, the role of relationships. Polarity is also at play in relationships. Think of the dynamics between people with opposing traits. Opposites don't just attract, they complement each other. One's strength balances the other's weakness, creating harmony. Third, navigating polarity in decision-making. Every choice you make is influenced by polarity. Risk versus reward, fear versus courage. By recognizing this duality, you can make decisions with clarity, knowing that every risk carries the seed of potential reward. Now that you understand the law and its application, it's time to integrate it into your daily routine. When faced with a challenge, pause and remind yourself, this too shall pass. Remember, every low comes with an equal high. Surround yourself with positive influences who remind you of the bigger picture. Practice mindfulness to stay present and aware of the polarity in your emotions and experiences. The law of polarity is more than a concept. It's a way of seeing life. When you understand that every setback carries the seed of a comeback, you'll never look at challenges the same way again. Here's what I challenge you to do. Think of one struggle you're facing right now. Then, write down its opposite, the positive outcome that's waiting for you. Share it in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to see life through the lens of polarity. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's spread the light together.